Hello friends, welcome back. Look at these beautiful rose shaped rings. Let's make it. Take a surgical mask. We are going to remove the wire. We are making the ring shape by rolling it, and then we are going to cover it from the surgical mask piece. Cut another piece of the mask and roll it in a shape of rose like we are doing here. Twist it and roll it like this until you get a beautiful rose, and look, it is almost done now. Paste all of them together using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful butterfly ring. Look, for that take a red craft paper, fold it like we are doing here like this, put it inside from the corners and again fold it like this and fold it from the top. We are going to make more folds like we are doing here. We are making the butterfly in the center like this, and look, it is almost ready now. Open it and look, your ring is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.